Hello friends, welcome to Rajendra Education. Today is 28th of December. Let's see today's important current affairs. The first question is, Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik announced the largest hockey stadium of India to be built in which city? So recently, Naveen Patnaik, who is the CM of Odisha, has announced that the largest hockey stadium in India to be built in which city? The correct answer is Rourkela, which is situated in Sundargarh district. So it comes to the mind, what is the largest hockey stadium in world? What is the largest hockey stadium? So the answer is National Hockey Stadium Lahore. National Hockey Stadium Lahore is the largest hockey stadium in world with seating capacity of 45,000 people. At one time 45,000 people can sit in Lahore Hockey Stadium. But when it comes to Rourkela, the capacity will be 20,000. And the upcoming 2023 FIH, Federation of International Hockey World Cup Men's, which is going to be held in 2023, it will be organized in Rourkela. Okay, in fact in Rourkela and Bhubaneswar, the two cities will be the venue place. Moving to the next question, who became the new Prime Minister of Romania? So recently, Florin Situ became the new Prime Minister of the European country Romania. Here Saad Hariri is the Prime Minister of Lebanon, which is a Asian country, and Muhyiddin Yassin is the Prime Minister of Malaysia, and Andrej Plenković is the Prime Minister of Croatia. The spelling is TIA, okay? Croatia. It's also a European country. So where is Romania? Let's see. So here in map you can see this is our India, and moving towards the northwest near the Black Sea you can see the country Romania. The capital is Bucharest and the currency is Romanian leu. You can also remember other three options and their current Prime Minister in respective countries. So question number 3, who is the author of the book Ayodhya, released by former Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis? So recently Devendra Fadnavis, who is the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, has released a book called Ayodhya. It is written by Madhav Bhandari, who is a chief spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party in Maharashtra state. This book is all about the history of struggle towards the making of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Do you know? I know you know that in recent few months Supreme Court has given its verdict about the formation of the Ram Mandir. So it was all about the journey, how they came to this victory. Here you can see he is Madhav Bhandari. So the next question is, which state has launched PR Inside mobile app and web portal? So the correct answer is Punjab. You can also see Captain Amarinder Singh, who is the current Chief Minister of Punjab state. So PR stands for Public Relations. This is the official website actually. Director of Information and Public Relations, Punjab, India. So 31 newspapers will be linked with this portal and application. So government can watch the real-time feedback from the public and can improve its governance. Moving to the next question, which ministry has launched e-Sampada mobile app? So e-Sampada mobile app has been launched by Urban Affairs Ministry. Here you can see Hardeep Singh Puri, who is the current Urban Affairs Minister. So what type of work will be done by this web portal? It's a big question. So you can see here the article from News India Express. This says that it will combine pre-existing web portals into one web portal and mobile application, so that all the works previously done by all these portals will be done in just one app. Okay, these web portals were related to real estate. Real estate means related to land and buildings. It will provide a single window for all services, including 1 lakh government resident accommodation, office space allotment to government organization in 28 cities and venue like 5 Ashoka Road and social function. So the next question is, where is the first hot air balloon safari launched in India? So the correct answer is Bandhavgarh. All the cities are in which state? All the cities belongs to Madhya Pradesh, and Bandhavgarh National Park recently launched first hot air balloon safari in India. So Bandhavgarh is a tiger reserve, so people who will avail this opportunity can see tigers and many wildlife from a little bit height, right? So this is a very good thing. Next question, PM Modi to launch Ayushman Bharat PMJY Sehat scheme for the resident of? The correct answer is Jammu Kashmir. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Sehat to be launched in Jammu and Kashmir state. So each family will get 5 lakhs of insurance, health insurance every year. So this is a very good initiative by government, and the current Lieutenant Governor of UT J&K is Manoj Sinha. The previous one was Girish Chandra Murmu, who is currently serving as the CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. So this is the end of the video, and the final question is, who is the current Chief Minister of Kerala state? You have to comment below the correct answer, and if you did like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.